Well, good evening, everyone, and my apologies for getting on a little late. I had some internet connectivity issues getting connected for our meditation tonight, and so we're just going to take this opportunity right here, sitting outside in nature, just to connect with Spirit, to connect with the light and the love and the presence of God that we are. And so, with that in mind as our intention, let's just take this opportunity right now to close our eyes if that's comfortable for us, and to breathe in. Breathing in an awareness of Spirit, breathing in an awareness of God. And releasing with the air that we breathe out any worries, anxieties, fears, anything that distracts us from this present moment. And so right here, right now, right where we are, we know and affirm that God is. Breathing into that awareness, we consciously make our work in this moment, tuning out outer distraction. And so as we breathe in, we notice where our thoughts are drifting. If we catch them drifting away from Spirit, we just simply redirect them to God in this moment. Trying as best as we can to focus on God as much as possible as we breathe in and breathe out in this moment. Breathing in an awareness of light, breathing out distraction. We come to this divine time, this divine moment, ready and willing to grow and expand our consciousness. And so we make that our intention as we enter into this time of stillness, this time of quiet, this time of concentrating on the light and the love that we are. And so we breathe in consciousness, and we allow our intention to grow our awareness of that consciousness, to guide us into the stillness. As our consciousness grows, we call forth the divinity within ourselves. We call it forth as wisdom, as light, as love, and as faith. And as our awareness of these things grows within ourselves, we come to the understanding that our role is not just to hoard the light and the love of God. Our role is to give it. Our role is to shine it. Our role is to be it into our world. And so right here, right now, right where we are, we consciously radiate that light and love into our world. Radiating the love of God into our world. Radiating the peace of God into our world. We are blessed and we are a blessing. And we allow that truth to take us into the stillness.
So here's my next comment, all right, guys? Some of you, when you were doing that to go faster, what did I see you guys do? What'd you do, Presley? Did you kick the ball way in front of you? Okay. Not a bad thing, but we want to make sure, what happens if I kick the ball way in front of me? Can I control it? Who's going to get it? That's a really good answer, Harper. Who knows who's going to get it? Maybe somebody else on our team might get it, or maybe the other team will get it, right? Do we want the other team to get it? All right. So, this is one of those things that's difficult when it comes to dribbling, all right, girls? You got to go fast, but you got to keep the ball close to you. So, you can't just kick it in front of you and then run after it, all right? So, there's a little bit of, we're learning, all right? But everybody's doing a good job. So, what I want you to do is, everybody try this time, go a little bit faster, and keep the ball in front of you, all right? So, 3, 2, 1, go. Good job, girls. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Everybody go get water. Go get water. We're going to do the next drill.
Right here, right now, right where we are, God is. And it is for that that we are grateful. And so we say, thank you, God. Amen. Well, thank you all for joining with me, for spending some time outside tonight, and just spending some time connecting with Spirit. We know that it doesn't matter where we are or where we go, that Spirit is with us. Spirit is there to guide us and support us. We can always find that connection right here. And so I hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening, and we will see you all again very soon. God bless you all.